Good morning, everybody. I am a happy truck driver. My wife is about to make me some yummy breakfast, and we thought we would show you what she makes for me. I eat a low carb diet. This is going to be a low carb, not a zero carb, but a low carb breakfast. What we have here is some eggs, bacon, sausage. Over here on the right, we've got some avocado oil. We've got some shredded cheese. And then we've got a red onion here and an avocado. So I'm just going to walk you through and show you how my wife makes a yummy Southern low carb breakfast. So what is the first thing that you're going to do?
Well, first of all, I'm going to turn on our burners. I like to get our Lodge griddle. I like to get it nice and warm before I put the bacon on there. But I do cook our bacon at a very low temperature. Slow and steady wins it for me. I like to cook the bacon very slow so it's cooked to perfection as I like it.
What's the secret ingredient in your bacon?
Love. Always cook with love.
That's right. And this is the kind of bacon that we use right here. It's Smithfield naturally hickory smoked hometown original bacon. It's the greatest. So you're peeling a piece off,
Absolutely, and just
laying it on the griddle.
Line the pan up.
Is it okay for it to be overlapping like that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It'll shrink.
Oh, it shrinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I use 2 forks.
No tongs?
No tongs. Because I use my forks to flatten down too, like this.
Let me see.
And then we'll start chopping up some onion. And I like to put the red onions in our scrambled eggs.
All right, so we got some onions for the eggs.
Yes.
All right. So right now, the bacon has been cooking for a little while. We're going to take a quick look. Whoa.
Yes.
Look at that. Look how delicious and yummy and beautiful. Awesome. Awesome. I'm getting really excited.
I need to start cutting up the sausage and getting ready to put it on here too.
All
Once
right.
I have room, I'll put sausage on here.
So while the bacon's cooking, I'm going to show you the kind of sausage we're going to be having. This is Frank Coraher country sausage. It's very similar to Nice's sausage. One of the awesome things about this sausage too is, if you look right here, you can see 0 carbs. All right, so she has opened the sausage here, just peeled it open, and then what you have is this big brick of disgusting looking meat here, but it's okay because it's going to be amazing. So she's just slicing it up into chunks here.
And I'll probably only do 4 pieces because it's just you and Mimi that's going to eat the sausage.
Okay, so let's see what you got there.
Okay. Perfect little
patty.
Yeah.
And I just want to show how this bacon is. Check this out. Look at that. See how it's just perfectly crisp. I mean, still hot. But it's, man, that is excellent bacon. All right, what are we doing now?
Cracking open the eggs so that we can get them nice and scrambled. We're going to put a little bit of avocado oil in here and get this pan warming up. So then I can put the onions in and get them sauteed.
Awesome.
So hang on and start sauteing them a little bit before we add the eggs and the cheese.
If you're an onion fan like me, nothing smells better than sauteed onions. When you put those onions in that pan and they start sizzling like that, the smell of those onions walking through the room. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I think they ought to make an air freshener like that. So
Nice and scrambled. I think that's good. Stir these a little bit. Turn the temperature on high.
wow.
Get it all mixed up. And then we're going to put some cheese on top. That's about a quarter cup, maybe a little bit more. Add a little bit of salt.
Put a little bit of salt and pepper in there.
All right, and these are probably ready to come off. And the eggs are done. Let's slice up this avocado.
She's done this before.
I love avocado. So good.
That one's nice and soft, huh?
Oh yeah. All right, now let's make a beautiful plate of food.
Let's. All right, so we're going to plate it up here.
Stir those around a little bit more.
Look at how smoky and hot those yummy eggs are.
Get some salt and pepper.
Look at that.
This pink Himalayan salt is really good. And then if you like, topping it with salsa is even better. It's the way I like to do my eggs. But perfect.
And there's the finished product.